MikyaJy is inspired by Jennifer Lopez from her successful Super Bowl concert. I'm so excited to play around for the first time the Morphe products. They just released last November the Morphe X James Charles mini palette. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. It will be a big help to improve my channel. Let's get started. All the products that I used in this video, I will write them all at the description box. Let's do first the base makeup. I did the primer, then now the foundation. So the next one would be the concealer. This is the first time that I used the Fenty Beauty Blender, and it's very soft on the skin. Now I'm doing the brows. Make sure to brush it first to remove the excess product from the base. I love this spoolie that comes with an angled brush from Tarte Cosmetics. So we want to achieve the boldness of bushy finish. I'm using this mascara from Benefit. This is my favorite so far compared to using a brow gel. The brush has a fine tip to define that natural flick of the brows. And you can see already the difference of my brows. It doesn't have that intense transformation because I just want to achieve that natural look of the brows. We are now at the most exciting part of the makeup, the eye look. I really missed playing around with makeup since I was busy taking care of my little dude. I feel so rewarded that I get a chance to do this again. You know guys, this is my passion, creating an art. And hopefully many more makeup eye look videos to come with using this palette. This is a smoky dramatic eye look, perfect for evening and party makeup. I'm cutting the crease with using Ring Light Shimmer. The mini palette is very pigmented, so don't be afraid to get mistakes because it's very smooth to blend and blending is key, so have patience. I'm done on my eye look, falsies are tucked in, and let's do the bronzing. To complete the Jennifer Lopez makeup look, I'm using the nude lipstick. There you go guys, my Jennifer Lopez inspired makeup. I hope you came this far of the video and hope you appreciate it. Please allow me to have a room for improvement, and your positive feedback on this video is highly appreciated. Thank you and see you on my next one. Bye!